Hey guys, welcome back to math class. Today we're going to look at the idea of similar figures and how to determine if two figures are indeed similar. So let's jump right in. First, let's take apart what the lesson is actually about. When something is similar, the idea of things being similar means that they're going to be proportional, which let's flash back to back in the spring or the fall. Proportions, remember, are when you have two equivalent fractions. So like 1/2 is equal to 4/8. So these shapes are going to be proportional. They're also going to be the same shape, but different size. So the shape has to be exactly the same, but it's going to be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. All right, and then a figure is just a shape. So the idea of a similar figure is it's the same shape, but different sizes. And that's basically it. And a figure is just a shape. Shape can be any shape: triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon. There's no rules. The other vocabulary term you need to be familiar with is corresponding. Corresponding. In this lesson, corresponding is like its matching partner. So if there's a right angle in the little triangle, the corresponding angle is the right angle in the bigger triangle. All right, there are two rules for proportionality, just two. The first rule is that corresponding sides have to be proportionate. Rule one: corresponding sides must be proportional. Corresponding sides must be proportional. And remember, the proportions is it's cross multiply and then divide, or you can check it by cross multiplying both to see if they're equal. So like here, 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8. So these two are equivalent fractions, or it's a proportion. The other rule, this one's easier. Corresponding, which again means matching, corresponding angles are equal. No ifs, ands, or buts. They have to be exactly the same measurement. All right, let's look at two triangles. All right, if I have triangle, I want to make this one a little bit different. I'm always terrible at this. So we're going to draw a right triangle that looks like this. All right, there's one right triangle. And then the other right triangle is going to look like this. Whew, mine are not. Don't look at the picture. I'm not a computer. All right, so draw your two triangles. Now, when we label the triangles, this is a 90-degree angle, and this is a 90-degree angle. Now, when we name triangles, they give you a lot of information in just the name itself. So if they tell you triangle ABC, so this one's going to be triangle A, B, C. And you read this: triangle A, B, C is similar. So an equal sign with a squiggle on top, to triangle X, Y, Z. Now they are going to label it. So this is point A, this is point B, This is point C. And over here we've got X, Y, and Z. The order that they give you is the order that they match. So I love to use colors. So if you have colors, grab some colors. If not, you can like do squiggles, waves, and dots to differentiate between the sides. So notice that I have AB in that order. So line A, B, and that's how we say that. Line AB is similar to line. What two letters match with AB in that order? X, Y. Because AB are the first two letters, X, Y are the first two letters. So up here, I'm going to draw green between AB so that I know, okay, that one goes with X, Y over here. Green to green. Okay. What about BC? Line BC matches with line YZ. YZ, because last two letters. So BC is up here. BC is going to be blue, and YZ is going to be blue. So you see how it helps to use colors, because it would have been very easy to think that XZ goes with BC. So look at your names, look at the colors. All right, next one is CA. And we can't, or AC, we can say AC. So line AC, because from A to C matches with what line over here? XZ, line XZ. So XZ is going to be orange, and AC is going to be orange. So those sides match. Now, to test proportionality, I'm going to put in some measurements. Again, they're going to give you these measurements. Let's say this line is 5, this line is 7.5. This line is 6, and this line is 9. Sorry, my colors don't match up. Mess me up. Okay. So when I set up my proportion to test proportionality, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. To test similarity, you're going to set up a proportion that follows some kind of pattern. So I have green line and blue line. I can do big green over little green equals big blue over little blue. I can do big green over big blue equals big or little green over little blue. The key is to pick a pattern and stick with it. So I'm going to look over here. I'm just going to put 9 over 6 because that's what it looks like. So I've got 9 is blue, 6 is green. So if I do 9 over 6, what number is going to go on top over here? 7.5. And what number is going to go on the bottom? 5. Now, to test similarity, I'm going to cross multiply these. So 9 times 5 is 45. What about 7.5 times 6? It's also 45. So yes, these are similar. Yes, they are similar. Now, okay, angle-wise, angle A goes with angle X. Angle B goes with angle Y. Angle C goes with angle Z. That's all you really need to know about the angles. The way that they're written is the way that they match. So as long as you can, they'll give you the angle measures. You just have to match them up. All right. The best way to do this is to practice. So good luck. I will see you guys next time.